the you want to see yourself on the mirror? Oh wow. Oh wow. You can see it. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, yeah, like that. Oh, see, you can see it. You can see yourself. Huh? So, what did you do in Mountain View during the weekend? Did you enjoy? What? Oh yeah. We are using the tape that was shipped, I think, last year. We're just completing it. We are grown up now. It's so quick. You're just a tiny baby before. Wow. Okay, no, hang it in your hair like that. Hang it on your hair. Like that. See? Nice.